Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. I was not planning on filming this video right now, but I was supposed to go to class, then I decided not to go to class. So I decided, well, I got ready today, so I might as well film this video for you guys. And I'm really excited because today's video is going to be kind of the last gift idea video of this year. I have like a couple more coming, but this one is the one that's specific to a group of people. So this one is going to be gift ideas for teachers. I thought this was a really fun idea because I don't know, I know a lot of people get gifts for their teachers around this time of year and thought, why not hand make something for them? So if you're interested in making something for your teacher or for your kid's teacher or whatever, then stick around. There are 26 pins on this Pinterest board, and the Pinterest board will be linked in the description box down below. And all the pins are just like random, whatever order I put them on the board in, and they're not organized. So some of them might kind of overlap, but they're all different ideas. So yeah. Let's just get right into it now with the first thing. I also just want to say the lighting might be kind of weird in this video compared to my other videos. One, because I've been having to not use cinematic mode anymore because it takes up too much storage on my phone and then I can't upload it to my computer. And also because I'm in my living room, so I don't have the typical lighting I usually have, but hopefully it's all right for this video for you guys. All right, so the first item that I thought was a really cute idea to make for teachers is this apple turtle. I've seen a lot of apple turtles over the years, but this one is like cute and small. I thought maybe you could even put this on a keychain, and I really like this idea for teachers because I feel like, you know, apples are kind of like a teacher thing. I don't know why. Like, I can only think of one teacher that I've ever had that was like, had an apple. And that was only because she rewarded an apple to the kid who wrote their cursive the best. So I don't really know why that's a symbol of teachers, but it is. So I think that one is a really good one to start out with if you're into making plushies. And then next we have a book sleeve or laptop sleeve or an iPad sleeve, Kindle sleeve. You know what I mean? This one is really cute. It's checkerboard. I love doing checkerboard stitch, by the way, guys. It's really easy and it's fun. And yeah, this one has a little button on it. I think it's really cute, and I feel like this could be a really great gift for a teacher. My eyelash just keeps sticking together and it's bugging me. Okay, moving on. The next idea that I have is tapestries, and I have a few tapestries on here. So this one is a pencil tapestry, and it has like the teacher's name on it. I thought that was so cute. It says that there's a free crochet pattern for this on the pin. It kind of looks like not traditional tapestry work. Like, I don't know if it's using a different stitch, but it looks kind of different than most tapestries I've seen. But I thought it was really cute, and like they could put it on their desk or like behind their desk, like on the wall. I thought that was really cute. Next we have this tapestry, which says read on it with a bunch of books. I thought this was a really good one for teachers. They typically like reading, or they want you to like reading. So, you know, maybe this would be a good one for them, especially if you know that they like reading. And then I also have this crochet crayon banner. Honestly, if this was me, I'd probably just do the initial of like their name, like, I don't know. But I thought this one was like giving me school vibes because it was a crayon, and if you wanted, you could do the whole welcome sign or something else on it. I think that is a really cute idea for a classroom. Next we have a couple of pencil things. There was a lot of pencil things that came up when I was searching this idea. So the first one is this pencil gnome. This is probably one of my favorite ideas on this whole thing. I think it's so cute. You could also just do any sort of like Christmas gnome or whatever gnome for your classroom or for your teacher. I think it's a good idea, but this one is very like teacher vibes because it's a pencil. And then I also have this pencil keychain. It's just like a literal pencil crocheted, and then it says best teacher on it with beads. I thought that was cute, and it would be quick and easy to make. Next up, we have a few things that aren't like so obviously only for teachers. So we have this mug cozy. I really like the stitch they used on this. It's like almost like a granny stitch, and mug cozies are really fun to make. They're one of the first things I learned how to make when I was learning how to crochet like 10 years ago now. And I used to sell them at markets when I was literally 11 years old, and they do make good gifts for anyone, but especially like a teacher. I know teachers typically like coffee. I know mine do. or mine always did growing up. So I think this might be a great gift idea for them. You could also get a mug and put the mug cozy on the mug for like a 2-in-1. I don't know. And then another thing I thought would be cute that they could possibly put in the classroom is a hanging plant. So I have this one, but there's tons of hanging plant patterns out there. I think it's really cute and it would be a good addition to, like, I don't know, their classroom, or they could put it in their house if they wanted. But yeah, I really like this as a decor idea. And then another one that's kind of similar is this plant pot holder type thing, and I've been talking about this one a lot because I actually want to make one of these for Christmas gifts this year myself. So I really like this idea. You can also buy a plant and put it inside of the plant holder if you wanted to. I think that would be a great 2-in-1 kind of gift idea for them, and it would be super cute. Honestly, if I had a teacher that I was gifting something to, that's probably what I would do. Next up, we have a candle cover type thing. I also really like this idea because it's more of like a 2-in-1, so you can buy a candle and then make a little cover or sleeve for the candle. I think it's really cute. I like these ones, but of course you can do whatever color they like and style they like. Next up, we have a bookmark, and I thought this one was really cute for teachers. It's a coffee cup. Of course, not every teacher is going to like coffee or tea or hot chocolate or whatever's in the mug, but I think it's a cute idea for people that do. And this is also like a quicker idea, so if you don't have much time before you want to gift them this could be a great option. You can also do a book sleeve and bookmark set if you wanted to, and you can even include a book if you really wanted to. So that would be a really good idea. And then we have, this is kind of like a broader idea, I just have an example for this one, but a crocheted flower bouquet. I love making crocheted flowers, and I thought this one was a really cute idea. It's like the sunflowers and lavenders. I've done this bouquet before and it was so fun and so cute. So if you have a lot of time and you like making flowers, this could be a great idea for them. Next up, one of my favorite things that I have been gifting and I'm going to gift more this holiday season is these granny stitch baskets. So there's a free video tutorial on YouTube for the small size, which is what I've been using, and these are super quick and easy to whip up. I love that you can really customize the colors based off of their favorite colors. If you were thinking maybe they would want to put this in the classroom, you could do colors that matched your classroom really well, and I just think this is a super cute idea, especially because you can also fill it with things if you want to. That's what I'm planning on doing for like some of my family members this year, is crocheting a basket and filling it up with some of their favorite things. So I just love that idea so much for everyone. Next up, as an idea, I have a keychain. So we had the pencil keychain that was a little bit more specific to teachers, but then this keychain is just a cute puff flower keychain. I actually have a tutorial for these on our channel. This is not my image, but I make these and I have a tutorial for them. If you want to follow it, it's here on YouTube for you. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of keychain tutorials here on YouTube that are very quick and easy to make if any of them speak to you for something your teacher may like. But there's so many out there that you can follow for free or buy them. And yeah, just based off of like their favorite colors or their interests, their favorite animals, etc. Next, if you're gifting around the holiday season or you celebrate Christmas, I thought this ornament was a cute idea. I'm actually going to be coming out with a video solely based on ornament patterns, so if this one isn't your favorite, stay tuned for tons more ideas. But I just think gifting an ornament can be really cute, and I thought these ones were super aesthetic and they would kind of like be perfect for anybody because they're not like, you know, super specific. They're very just pretty and I like them. Next up, I thought a good idea for a teacher might be doing a little coaster set. I do have some coasters that are more teacher specific that we'll get into, but these ones are just the flower coasters. I've made these before, they're super fun and easy, and I also gifted them for Christmas last year. So I do highly recommend making a little coaster set for somebody. You really can't go wrong with it because it's so practical, and these ones are just so cute. I have another bookmark on here, same kind of idea. I do like this flower one, it's cute, and it would kind of work for anybody. So if you're not sure what maybe they would like, this one could be a great idea. And then this one also has a book with it, so if you did think of a book that they would really like, you could get that for them. But if not, I'm sure that just, you know, gifting them the bookmark would be really great as well. Next up, we have this dishcloth and dish towel set. I really like this idea. I've always wanted to do these as gifts and also for markets, because people often ask at markets like, do you have dish towels as well? Like, you should do sets. You definitely should, but they can be a little time consuming. So if you do have some like time before you have to gift this, I would recommend trying it out. Also, this one specifically says it has a free pattern attached, so that's amazing. Next, this is kind of something I've been talking about a lot in these gift videos because I think they can work well for a lot of people. And it is these like glasses holders that are animals. I really like these. I think they're adorable and they're very popular these days. I think any kind of animal would work, and as long as they wear glasses, I think this would be a great idea for a teacher. Okay, we have a few more items on here. So the next one is the coasters that are more teacher specific, like I was talking about before. So it is this set. It has a piece of paper, an apple, and a pencil. And this also says there is free patterns and videos attached to the pin, which is amazing. I love when they give like free patterns on pins. I think it's so helpful and so amazing. And I think this could be a really good idea for any teacher. And they're practical, but they're also very on theme. Next up, I have this cup sleeve. So this is like meant for like a big Starbucks cup or just like a bigger cup. And I really like this idea because you can really just make it whatever color, like their favorite color or whatever yarn you have, and I think it could be really cute. You could also purchase them a cup and put it on the cup. Could be a great idea as well. And then similarly, we have this one that is a pencil design, and it is on like a hot coffee cup. You could either like buy a reusable hot coffee cup and put it on there, or you could like get them that and then you could get them like a gift card for, you know, a coffee shop or whatever. That could be a cute idea, I think. And then another pencil thing we have is this little pencil pouch. This one has crochet hooks in it, but I think it would also work for like pencils. Like you could fill it with some new pencils and pens and supplies and then give it to them as a gift. I don't know, it looks kind of weird once it's like folded down, but you can still tell it's a pencil. And I think that that's just a cute little practical idea. Also, just like making a pencil case in general could be another great idea for a teacher. And then moving on to the last idea on this list, we have this flower and it says, "Thanks for helping me grow." I thought this would be a really cute one for like a teacher of like maybe younger kids or anyone. But yeah, I just really like this idea. You could also put like a little tag like that on a full flower bouquet, but I like this one because it's super cute, but it'll also be a lot quicker than doing a full flower bouquet. So if you don't have time but you want to do flowers, this could be a great one. You could also like attach this to, like, I see another one here that's attached to a pen, so you could figure out how to put it onto a pen and then it's like a practical gift as well. I think that could be a really great idea. But yeah, that is the last thing on this list. Hey guys, I'm editing this video, but I just found one pin that I forgot to mention when I was talking about all these ideas. So that actually wasn't the last idea. This idea is going to be the last idea. And it is this apple. It's almost like an apple plushie. You could also like put jellycat eyes or like something to make it more like that. But it is just this apple and it has a little best teacher ever tag thing in it. I think this is so cute and it's very teacher vibes. So if you're interested in doing something like that, they can just put on their desk or something. I think this could be a perfect idea for you. So yeah, that is actually going to be the last idea. But now back to the video. So I really hope that you guys got some inspo on what you can make a teacher in your life this year for a gift, whether it be the holiday season when you're watching this, or their birthday, or just the end of the school year, or you just want to gift them something for no reason. I think that these ideas could be really good things that you could make a teacher and they would really love them. Let me know if you guys plan on making any of these ideas or what your favorite idea was from the video. And make sure to watch all my gift ideas videos I've been coming out with this month. I've had so much fun talking about gift ideas for so many different people, and I am hoping to do Vlogmas this December. It was so fun last year, and this year I'm gonna have to do it on my own, which is a little bit stressful. Because last year I only had to do 6 videos, whereas this year I'll have to do all 12. But we'll see if I have the time, because I really want to do that for you guys and for myself, because it's just so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like it if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this one, and I will see you next time. Bye.